Hey folks, we are here in this little valley in Edale in the UK at Spoonfest to bring you some hopefully lovely videos with various instructors and craftspeople. Spoonfest is an amazing international celebration of the wooden spoon that's been going for several years now. People gather here from all over the world to share and learn together. There are international instructors, workshops, demonstrations, spoons being sold, people sitting around campfires and carving together. It's a lovely atmosphere. So Barn is somewhere on site now, helping to run things and organise and keep everything going smoothly. So I thought it would be a good idea for me to catch up with some of the folks that are here, some of those people who've come over that we don't usually get a chance to sit down with. So some chats and some little demos and some skills and top tips and other things that they can show you. So check out the videos in this series, and if you enjoy these videos then definitely head over to the website as well, where we have a whole library of videos there designed to help you get into spoon carving or develop along your spoon carving journey.